Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon to everyone. My name is Zareena, an executive for All India Muslim Women's Personal Law Board. And I thanks to Shaista Ambar, a president of All India Muslim Women's Personal Law Board, to say some few words. Today I want to say some important issue which is neglected by the Muslim community, government and human rights. Islam is the only religion which has raised the status of women, that is, it has stopped female infanticide, gave her property rights, had freed from the slavery. Women had also played an important role like nursing during wars. But a pre-Islamic orthodox culture is still prevalent, like unilateral talaq given by men at their whims. Shaista Ambar ma'am, a president of All India Muslim Women's Personal Law Board and a president of Niyabat Foundation, Ritu Dubey, has filed a petition against all forms of unilateral talaq to be void, and such act should be criminalized. If marriage is not valid without bride permission, without guardian and two witnesses, then how come a talaq, that is divorce, could be a valid? But because of some clergy and they pretend that they are safeguarding the Islamic religion, are actually maligning and destroying the religion, like illegal acts of unilateral talaq by men, polygamy and halala. Darul Qaza are issuing such fake fatwas in favor of men. I am also the victim of one-sided talaq given by Nadwatul Ulama Madrasa of Lucknow. Our rights are being snatched in the name of Sharia and under the shade of Constitution. We are facing difficulties and our identity, and my children are facing difficulties making their IDs and accessing to basic facilities like food, clothing, shelter and employment, education from the government and society. All India Muslim Women's Personal Law Board, Shaista Ambar ma'am, has done extensive hard work for victims like us to provide shelter, homes, employment and education on Waqf land, which she succeeded in granting permission from the government in 2010. But practically, no implementation has done by the government since 2010. Then why to celebrate human rights in court, DM office or in constitution? My rights were exploited, no justice, no dignity, no identity, no justice from the court and no constitutional remedies. There are lakhs of women suffering and their life had been spoiled by Darul Qaza by giving fake fatwas in favor of men without following the procedure of Quran, that is reconciliation and settlement between the spouses before any final decision. We and our children are put starved to death, homeless and jobless. But today still I salute to Human Rights Day. Thanks.